Hi, my name is Kip, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. Today we're making a New York style cheesecake. We have just finished mixing the dry ingredients and blending those in with our hands, the butter, the sugar, and the two types of flour. And now it's time to add our egg and then cut the dough in. So let's do that now. The first thing we're going to want to do is take our egg and crack it into a small bowl. And then just beat it well. Make sure it's just all mixed together quite nicely. And then we're going to go ahead and mix this together using what I call a pastry knife. It's actually these wires. I've got two of these. One has flat and is sharper than this. They both accomplish the same thing. This is a tool that you'll need to get. So go down to your local supplier of baking products and get one of these. It'll make your pie crusts and your biscuits and all of these things much better. And with a cutting motion, cut in the egg. And this will help even further mix the butter with the egg and the flour and the sugar. And use a cutting motion. Once you've mixed this quite well, it'll start to look a lot like other pie crusts that you might have been used to making with shortening or Crisco of some sort. It will feel different. It's a little more moist or oily feeling, even though we have no oil in it. Heavier feeling anyway. And but it will still look a bit the same, although the egg gives it a little more yellowy sort of color. And now what you're going to want to do is gather this into a dough ball. And a lot of times, and this looks like it'll be one of the cases as well, because eggs are big and small and never consistent. And we just need one egg in there. So a lot of times you'll have to add a teaspoon or so of iced or chilled water to get the dough to come together.